We'll be starting today with the group 6 and group 7. Okay. So the group 6, the first sound of the group 6 is yeah. It's yeah, yeah, right? The second one is X, which sounds like, when you click a camera, how it sounds. So that is what. Then the CH, it's a digraph. So you have to pretend like a train, like and the next one is one of our favorite. It's a favorite for all the teachers because how we do in the class? Shh, keep quiet. Shh. Okay. Then comes th and the. Th and the. How it is? This, that, hot, thumb, the, and th think, 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 thank. So we will hear.
I like to eat yogurt and bananas. I like to eat yogurt and bananas. I like to eat yogurt and bananas. Yeah, 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 yeah. Take an X-ray. Take an X-ray. Take an X-ray. X-ray of my hand. Trains are chugging up the hill. Trains are chugging up the hill. Choo-choo.
It's chugging. It's chugging.
Hush, 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 don't make a sound. Be as quiet as you can be. The baby's asleep and I'm tired out. Shh, 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 shh. Did you ever hear a rude clown make this sound and that sound? Did you ever hear a rude clown say the?
The problem is, Abhi, again, I was seeing the problem is when you are asked to find out the diagraphs, right? So how are you going to identify the diagraph? This is, I think, again, I did it in the last class. Identifying the diagraphs and identifying the blends, right? In the last class, we did it. So whenever you are in a question paper or when you are asking the kids also, identify the diagrams. So how the kids are going to do that identification? They are going to underline it. Make sure there is an underline with a red ink. Right. And when you are when you are mentioning the sound buttons, there should be a clear dot of with a red ink. And always ask the kids to mention the number. So if you don't practice it, you won't be able to teach it. So whenever you are writing, whenever you are asked to write, put the sound buttons. You have to put the sound buttons, and at the side you have to mention the number of sounds, because you are teaching the children how many sounds you can hear, because then only they can identify the blend and the diagraphs, because blends will always make one sound. two letters, two sounds together will give rise to one sound, right? So that is when you are underlining it and putting a dot, a button under that, so it will give a identification that this is a digraph. But when you are identifying the blends, you are putting
Circle.
yes.
Now Shailaja ji is there in the session.
Shailaja ma'am is there? Okay.
Yeah, she has just joined. So we can discuss the paper with the assignment with her.
It was Shailaja ma'am's. Maybe this is Sarabjit Kaur. Shailaja ma'am is where it is. Yes. Yeah, Shailaja ma'am, when you are asked to put sound buttons, so the buttons will be always under every sound. So when it is shell, you will put underline, you will underline the SH, and then under the underline, you have to put the sound button. That means SH is a single sound, right? And then L, double L. That means again, it is also a digraph because we are not shell, we are not pronouncing like that. We can only hear one single sound, that is shell, right? So again, underline it and put the dot. So this shell will have 3 sound buttons. Again in train, T, R, T, 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 R will have 2. Then A and I will make one single sound, that is A. Underline AI, that is a digraph. Put a dot, sound button there and so again there is 1, 2, 3, 4.
Okay.
Did you get that? Get my point?
Yes, madam. Now I got it. Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Okay. So if there is if still there is a confusion, please do ask me, because this is how you will be teaching the children. Identifying of digraphs and circling the what? Blends.
Blends.
Right? Yes. So now the group 7, the last group of the Jollyphonics, that is qua, qua, qua. Q never comes alone. It is always accompanied by U. Okay. So it's like quit, queen. Okay. Now OU, we have learned that when two vowels go walking, the first one is always doing the talking and the second one keeps quiet, but we pronounce the first one by its name, not by the sound. Now by now you all know that the rule 1.
Yes.
But there is an exception. There are 2 exceptions, that is OU and OI. Right? OU is pronounced. Have you, when a needle get pricks, what you say? Oh, ouch, oh. So it is oh. And OI is oi, oi. Okay. So ouch and oi, they don't follow the rule of 2 vowels go walking together. They too are the rule breakers. How you have to make the children understand that in a class you find some naughty kids who never follows the rule. Aren't they? आपने कुछ भेजा. Right? So they are also the rule breakers. Ow and oi. OU and OI. Now comes UE. UE is like you. Again, it is a good boy. Good children they are. They follow the rule. They follow the vowel rule. So it is UE. That means which how it will be pronounced. Only we can hear the sound U. U, U, U. It's fuel. Okay, it's not fuel. It's fuel. Then ER. ER, you will all know, I have already done it. When bossy R meets E, R is said. Air, air, air. AR, ah. R, you cannot hear ah. Let's hear.
The duck in the pond quacks, quack, 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 quack. The duck in the pond quacks, quack, 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 all around the pond. I pricked my thumb with a needle. Ow, 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 ow. I pricked my thumb with a needle.
Ow.
Ow, ow,
Ow.
ouch.
Ow. The pronunciation is ow.
The sailors met upon the sea. Oi, 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 oi.
This is how a sailor calls.
Oi.
Oi.
Down deep. Oi, oi, ship ahoy.
The sailors they call oi.
I'd like to have a barbecue. You. I'd like to have a barbecue with you and you and you. The mixer in the bowl goes The mixer in the bowl goes mixing the food together.
We did na bossy R.
Open wide, the doctor said. Oh,
Ah.
let me look at your sore throat. Please say ah.
It is not air. Okay, it's ah. We did na bossy R. Have you all there?
Yes,
bossy
yes,
R?
they were there.
Okay. So, let's do some classwork. So, till now, all the sounds are clear?
Madam.
Yes. Yes, Shailaja ma'am. Any question?
No, ma'am, no, nothing.
Okay. So, now you have to identify the sound buttons, okay? I will be giving you the sounds. Put the sound buttons, identify the digraphs, and if there is any blend. Okay. Can you all see? The time starts now.
Excuse me, ma'am. We should put dot button under sound, and for blending, we should shall we circle it?
Yes, absolutely. If you find any blending, you put circle. If there is a diagraph, underline and then the sound button.
Okay, okay. Thank you, ma'am. Thank you. Excuse me, ma'am. If there are silent letters, then what? No need to do anything, na?
You have to avoid not even putting the. There is no silent letter, by the way, over here.
But I fill in thought, gh
It's
in
out.
thought.
Yeah, it's a
Out.
tricky word. I'll teach you the rule. It's out. O-U-G-H. Out. It's a it's a trigraph.
SST
It's
teacher is learning more than
quadragraph.
anybody else.
Quadragraph. Yes, he's taking lot of interest. That's the thing. See, he
Yeah.
has that in coming out with the questions. I'm really liking it.
Shout. Sweet, sweet. L. Sweet, sweet. Li. Sweet.
Perfect, Julie ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
What, there was some timing of the assignment in Debjani ji?
Yeah, another 5 minutes.
Okay.
Madam, everything done, ma'am, but I have doubt in third, ma'am. Third, fourth.
I know. You will all have doubts, so I will clear that doubt. Whatever you feel like, you just do that. We will be doing that.
Okay, ma'am. On.
Jarak Nandini ji have just joined. So can you explain what we have to do exactly in this?
This is sound buttons and identifying diagraphs. If there is any blends, you have to circle the blend. So these are the words, sound we have learned today.
Mm. Ta. Ta. Mm. Mm.
Mhm.
Mm. Mm.
Devjani ji, please check. I have sent Shailaja
Checking,
ji.
checking. That is when they're checking.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Mm.
Actually,
Yes.
my device is too hot, so camera app is not functioning now. So I'm facing a problem.
You can write it in the chat box.
Write in the chat box.
Or you can just write in the WhatsApp to Twinkle ma'am. In rescue, Shailaja ma'am, how it is a blend? It is res-Q. All are pronounced separately. Res-Q.
Res.
Ma'am, diagram is there na in rescue, ma'am.
C is a
Digraph is at the last, at the end.
Yeah, at the last.
C is a
Only
blend.
see UE. UE
Yeah,
is
UE
rescue.
is the
U.
diagram.
Yes, but there is no blend. S and C is not a blending word.
Yeah. Yes.
Rest all okay. So if thought there is a confusion, I'll do that.
Okay. Rescue. Okay.
Just a second, somebody.
Madam, excuse me. It's me, sir. Madam,
Yes, Shailaja ji, बताइए. Yeah, tell me please.
can you recap it again? Rescue.
And Devjani ji is coming. Just wait for a few seconds. She will tell
Okay.
you.
Okay,
But
madam.
what she told is, let me check.
Miss Jane, my mom just fainted. Okay, I'll just
Oh
get
yeah,
back.
you take it. Yeah, please.
UE is pronounced as U. Okay, it is a
Okay.
digraph.
You go
Today I'm just
first, please.
taking a leave. I'm just taking a leave.
We will do this class redo again. Okay, Devjani ji has to leave because of the emergency. You can finish your assignment and send it to me. I will send it to Devjani ji. This class will be again on Tuesday. Any queries, any questions, please send in the group, and we will redo this class next time. Okay?
Okay, madam.
Yeah. Thank you everyone for joining us. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am.